Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. The 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike represents a significant evolution in three-wheeled touring motorcycles, building upon Honda's decades of expertise in creating premium long-distance machines. This new model takes the already impressive Gold Wing platform and adapts it for riders who prioritize ultimate stability without sacrificing the thrill of open-road riding. The trike conversion has been engineered by Honda from the ground up rather than being an aftermarket modification, ensuring perfect integration with the bike's existing systems and maintaining the brand's legendary reliability standards that customers have come to expect. At the heart of the Gold Wing Trike lies Honda's signature horizontally opposed six-cylinder engine, which has been slightly retuned for trike applications. The 1833cc powerplant benefits from new mapping that emphasizes low-end torque, making it particularly well suited for the trike's potentially heavier weight and different weight distribution. Engineers have focused on maintaining the buttery smooth power delivery the Gold Wing is known for while ensuring there's ample thrust available when passing or climbing steep grades. The engine's unique configuration helps keep the center of gravity low, which is especially important in a three-wheeled vehicle where stability is paramount. Honda has paid special attention to the chassis dynamics to accommodate the third wheel while preserving the Gold Wing's renowned ride quality. The rear suspension system features a completely redesigned setup with dual shock absorbers specifically calibrated for trike use. These work in conjunction with Honda's proprietary preload adjustment system that automatically adapts to riding conditions and passenger cargo weight. Up front, the traditional fork has been replaced with a more sophisticated arrangement to handle the different steering forces involved in three-wheeled operation, though Honda has kept details about this system under wraps for now. The braking system has been substantially upgraded to account for the trike's different weight distribution and increased stopping requirements. Dual radial mount calipers grip large discs up front, while the rear wheels each get their own substantial braking components. Honda's combined ABS system has been specially tuned for trike use, providing balanced braking force across all three wheels regardless of road conditions. The system includes a new feature that detects when the trike is carrying a passenger or heavy luggage and automatically adjusts brake pressure distribution accordingly for optimal stopping power. One of the most impressive aspects of the 2025 Gold Wing Trike is its technological integration. The 7-inch TFT display from the standard Gold Wing carries over but gains new trike-specific information displays and settings. Riders can monitor things like individual tire pressures for all three wheels, rear suspension status, and even a new stability control indicator that shows how the system is working to keep the trike planted. The infotainment system now supports simultaneous Bluetooth connections for rider and passenger, allowing both to enjoy their own audio preferences through the premium audio system's multiple speakers. Comfort has always been a Gold Wing hallmark, and the trike version takes this to new levels. The seat has been completely redesigned with enhanced bolstering to account for the different riding position and forces involved in three-wheeled operation. Both rider and passenger enjoy increased lumbar support, and the passenger backrest is now integrated into the design rather than being an accessory. Honda's ventilation system has been upgraded to provide even more effective airflow through the riding compartment, with adjustable vents that can direct air precisely where needed during long days in the saddle. Storage capacity sees a significant boost over the standard Gold Wing, with the trike conversion adding substantial lockable compartments integrated into the rear fenders. These complement the existing 50 liters of trunk space and 30 liters of saddlebag capacity, giving riders an unprecedented amount of secure storage for extended tours. The luggage system features Honda's innovative one-touch opening mechanism and is fully waterproof, with built-in lighting for nighttime access. Clever design touches include dedicated compartments for small items like toll transponders or sunglasses that are easily accessible while riding. Lighting technology on the 2025 model represents a major step forward, with a full LED array that includes adaptive cornering lights as standard equipment. The headlight system automatically adjusts beam pattern and intensity based on speed, lean angle, yes, trikes still lean somewhat in corners, and ambient light conditions. At the rear, a distinctive light signature makes the Gold Wing Trike instantly recognizable, with sequential turn signals and integrated brake lights that increase in intensity based on how hard you're stopping. Additional lighting along the sides improves visibility to other vehicles and helps illuminate the ground when parking at night. Honda has developed several new rider aids specifically for the trike configuration. The most notable is an enhanced traction control system that monitors grip across all three contact patches, adjusting power delivery to prevent any wheel from breaking traction. The trike also introduces a new hill start assist that holds the brakes automatically when stopped on an incline, preventing rollback when starting off. Cruise control has been refined for three-wheeled use, with smoother acceleration and deceleration when maintaining set speeds over varying terrain. The audio system deserves special mention, as Honda has partnered with a premium audio manufacturer to create a truly concert-quality sound experience. The system now includes noise compensation technology that automatically adjusts equalization based on speed, wind noise, and even the type of helmet being worn. Speakers are strategically placed to create proper stereo separation despite the open-air environment, and a new, audio focus, mode can direct more sound to either rider or passenger as desired. The system is powerful enough to be clearly heard at highway speeds yet refined enough for quiet enjoyment during relaxed cruising. Maintenance considerations have been carefully addressed in the trike's design. Honda has positioned all service points for easy access, and the bodywork is designed with quick-remove panels for simpler maintenance procedures. The engine retains the Gold Wing's proven maintenance intervals, with the trike components adding only minimal additional service requirements. A new diagnostic system provides detailed information about all trike-specific components, and the onboard computer can even estimate remaining pad life for all three brakes based on riding style and conditions. For riders who enjoy personalization, Honda will offer an extensive range of genuine accessories designed specifically for the trike. These include various luggage solutions, comfort upgrades, and appearance packages that allow owners to tailor their machine to their preferences. Of particular note is a new premium comfort seat option that incorporates heating and cooling elements for both rider and passenger, along with adjustable firmness settings. Honda is also developing a line of trike-specific touring accessories like auxiliary fuel cells and advanced navigation solutions that integrate with the existing systems. Safety features on the 2025 Gold Wing Trike set new standards for three-wheeled vehicles. In addition to the expected ABS and traction control, Honda has implemented a new rollover mitigation system that monitors vehicle dynamics and can intervene with selective braking if it detects potentially dangerous situations. The airbag system from the standard Gold Wing has been enhanced for trike use, with sensors that can detect collision severity from multiple angles. All lighting functions include emergency modes that automatically activate in the event of sudden deceleration to alert following traffic. The riding experience on the Gold Wing Trike differs from both traditional motorcycles and other three-wheeled vehicles in several key ways. The steering has been carefully calibrated to provide light handling at low speeds while remaining stable at highway velocities. Riders will notice that the trike tracks exceptionally well in a straight line, with none of the wandering sometimes experienced with other three-wheel designs. Cornering feels surprisingly natural, with subtle leaning characteristics that make it feel more like riding a motorcycle than driving a car. The power delivery is seamless, with the DCT transmission, if equipped, making particularly intelligent shift decisions for three-wheeled operation. Honda has put the Gold Wing Trike through an exhaustive development process, including extreme climate testing and real-world endurance rides covering tens of thousands of miles. The company's engineers focused on ensuring all components could withstand the unique stresses of three-wheeled operation over the long term. Particular attention was paid to the rear axle and suspension components, which have been overbuilt to handle years of heavy use. The bodywork and paint have undergone additional testing to ensure they can resist stone chips and other road debris that might hit differently on a trike compared to a traditional motorcycle. The 2025 Gold Wing Trike represents Honda's vision for the future of premium touring. It combines the freedom and excitement of motorcycling with added security and practicality that appeals to a broader range of riders. While maintaining the soul of the Gold Wing, the trike version opens up long-distance touring to those who might have previously considered it beyond their ability or comfort level. It's a machine designed to inspire confidence while delivering the same level of refinement and performance that has made the Gold Wing legendary among touring enthusiasts worldwide. Looking at the competitive landscape, the Gold Wing Trike stands apart through its complete integration and factory-backed engineering. Unlike aftermarket conversions, every system on the Honda has been designed to work together harmoniously, resulting in a more polished overall experience. The attention to detail extends to aspects most riders might never consciously notice but will appreciate over thousands of miles, like the precisely tuned exhaust note that's audible but never intrusive, or the way the mirrors remain vibration-free at all speeds. These countless small touches add up to create a truly premium ownership experience. As the motorcycle industry continues to evolve, the 2025 Honda Gold Wing Trike demonstrates how traditional manufacturers can innovate while staying true to their core values. It's a machine that respects the Gold Wing's heritage while boldly moving into new territory. For riders who have dreamed of crossing continents in comfort but wanted the added assurance of three wheels, this might well be the ultimate solution. Honda appears to have created not just a competent three-wheeled motorcycle, but what could become the new benchmark for premium touring trikes. The wait for its official release will undoubtedly be filled with great anticipation from touring enthusiasts around the world.